Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable message notifications in the Likee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then at the general section, click on the notifications button. And if you scroll down, you will see a button that says message notifications. So just click on that. And if you want to receive your friends' messages, then just click on the white circle next to it. And you can also enable the vibration function, so whenever you receive notification, your phone will vibrate a bit. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.